Namaskar aspirants. Welcome back to the second episode of Mentor Diaries. There is a moment in every serious aspirant's life when you leave behind everything that's safe and walk into the unknown. Today, I want to share a story that's very personal. My own UPSC journey. Specifically, how at the age of 27, I quit my job, gave up stability, and took a leap of faith for this exam. And even though I didn't make it to the final list, I don't regret it. Not one bit. I started out like many of you. I am an engineer by training. After graduation, I took up a job as network engineer in the tech sector. At the same time, I was running a small coaching institute, teaching physics to school students. That teaching, that classroom energy, I genuinely loved it. But despite everything being settled, something didn't felt right. One day, I sat with myself and asked, is this it? Is this what I want for the rest of my life? The answer was clear. I wanted more. More meaning, more impact, and possibly more purpose. That's when UPSC came into the picture. But here's the thing. I was already 26, and back then the maximum age for general category was 30. So I had only 3 attempts left. Choosing UPSC meant quitting my job, stepping away from my income, and pausing everything I had built. It wasn't easy. My parents were worried, friends called it a gamble, but I knew this was something I had to try. So I quit everything and I began preparing with everything I had. No backup plan, no distractions. I reached the final stages, but I didn't clear the final list. Did it hurt? Yes. But do I regret it? Not even for a moment. But over time, something else started growing. Clarity. I realized that while I may not have become a civil servant, this journey gave me something even more valuable. Here is what I learned. Success is not always selection. Sometimes the greatest success is in having the courage to choose your own path and to walk it honestly. UPSC didn't give me a service, but it gave me a purpose. I realized that my true calling was in teaching, in guiding aspirants like you, in making sure that someone else's dream doesn't fade the way mine did. Today, I teach with full honesty because I have been there where you are. I know what it is like to leave comfort, to walk into uncertainty, to deal with age pressure, peer pressure, family pressure, and still show up every day. The decision at 27 shaped everything that I am today. And I tell you this because many of you watching are also standing at the crossroads, unsure if it's too late or too risky. If you are someone who is starting late or feeling pressure of age, know this, you are not alone. I have been there and I am here now to guide you, mentor you, and walk this road with you. Join me at Bariar's IS Academy for a free strategy session. Let's take your first step together.